Hello friends, I am Kausik and today I am going to share with you pencil shading on the portrait of famous actress Tamanna Bhatia. As you know, in my previous video already I have shared with you outline drawing of the portrait of Tamanna. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below regarding this video to motivate me. And press the bell icon to get the notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you, let's start. Here you can see I start shading from eyes. One has to remember eyes always play important role to flourish the character of any face. One important thing is to be shared that there is no such a rule to start shading only from eyes. Shading also can be started with any part of the face such as nose, hair, ears or lips. Gradually, shading can be applied all over the face. The more accurate drawing of a portrait will be, the more time it will take for the portrait to be done. One can practice drawing of a face from different angles, from different perspective, from different direction to earn the skill to develop the sense of drawing. I am saying again, as I told before in my previous video, that patience is the key to achieve the best. Means you have to spend your time to get the best result. For shading in small areas, you can use pencils like HB, 2B, 4B. Also, mechanical pencil can be used for detailing small areas like eyes, hair. For shading in dark areas, we can use pencils like 6B, 8B and 10B. Comment below and let me know if you want a full tutorial video on using of different pencils. If I get positive response from you, definitely I will make video on using of pencils with proper explanation. To get the better idea about shading, please watch till end. If you have any doubt or question regarding portrait drawing, comment below. Definitely I will try to clear all the doubts. If you like this video, Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. Hope we will meet again in next drawing. Till then, be happy, stay safe. Please enjoy the video. Thank you.